Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
Named after Lord Shiva, PM Modi launches 3 high-tech Paramrudra supercomputers worth 130 crore rupees. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled 3 indigenously developed Paramrudra supercomputers, marking a significant milestone in India's technological advancement. Paramrudra is a high-performance computing system designed to handle complex calculations and simulations at remarkable speeds. These state-of-the-art computing systems, worth approximately 130 crore rupees, have been strategically deployed in Delhi, Pune, and Kolkata to bolster scientific research across various disciplines. HPC, high-performance computing, supercomputing systems are advanced computing environments designed to handle complex and data-intensive tasks that require significant computational power. HPC systems leverage the processing capabilities of multiple processors working in parallel to solve large-scale problems. These systems are commonly used in climate modeling, molecular biology and genomics, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, engineering and materials science simulations, and defense and aerospace applications. What is Paramrudra supercomputer? Paramrudra is a high-performance computing system designed to handle complex calculations and simulations at remarkable speeds. These supercomputers are the result of India's National Supercomputing Mission (NSM), showcasing the country's growing capabilities in developing advanced technologies domestically. The Paramrudra supercomputers are set to revolutionize research in multiple fields. In Pune, the Giant Mitre Radio Telescope (GMRT) will utilize Paramrudra to study fast radio bursts (FRBs) and other astronomical phenomena, advancing our understanding of the universe. Equipped with several thousand Intel CPUs, 90 cutting-edge NVIDIA A100 GPUs, 35 terabits of memory, and 2 petabytes of storage, the Param Brahman system is set to drive groundbreaking scientific research in time-domain astronomy, enabling transformational advancements in the field. At the Inter-University Accelerator Center, IUAC, in Delhi, the supercomputer will enhance research in material science and atomic physics, fostering innovations in these critical fields. These supercomputers will make cutting-edge technology accessible to young scientists. Photo, NSM. The S.N. Bose National Centre for Basic Sciences in Kolkata will leverage Paramrudra for advanced studies in physics, cosmology, and earth sciences. In addition to the Paramrudra systems, PM Modi also introduced two high-performance computing HPC systems named Arka and Arunika, specifically designed for weather and climate research. With a combined investment of 850 crore rupees, these systems aim to significantly improve India's weather forecasting capabilities. The advantages for India are multifaceted. These supercomputers will make cutting-edge technology accessible to young scientists, fostering innovation and research in critical areas. They will enhance India's computational capabilities, positioning the country as a global leader in supercomputing. Furthermore, the practical applications of these systems extend beyond scientific research. They have the potential to benefit various sectors, including agriculture, disaster management, and space exploration. For instance, improved weather forecasting can help farmers make informed decisions about crop management. By developing these supercomputers indigenously, India is taking a significant step towards technological self-reliance. This aligns with the country's broader goals of becoming a global hub for scientific innovation and technological advancement. Please donate at least 1 rupee to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.